everyone, welcome to my channel or welcome back. Today's tutorial I've showed you how to make this seamless granny. Now there are different types of ways to make it seamless. In this tutorial I'll show you one of my favorite of how to make a seamless solid granny square. For this tutorial you will need, or I am using, 4.5mm crochet hook, a darting needle to weave in your ends, and scissor to cut your yarn. Okay, we need our yarn and we want to make a slip knot and chain 4, or if you prefer to do a magic ring here you can, but for this tutorial I am using a chain 4 and I'm just going to slip stitch to the first chain 1 and we will form a ring. And a slip stitch, and just like any other granny, they all start about the same until you get to the start of round 2. So to start we need to chain 2, and this chain 2 will count as a first double crochet, and we will do 2 double crochet and chain 2 to form the corner or to form the turn, and work 3 double crochets and chain 2 and work 3 double crochet chain 2, and we need one more of the 3 double crochet cluster. So 1 double crochet, 2, and a last one here. Okay, and we can go ahead and actually tighten our circle here by pulling the tail. Adjust the center hole. There we go. And we will chain 2, slip stitch to the second chain we made at the very beginning of the round. So we'll go under the 2 loops and we will slip stitch. Okay, and that completes round 1. And this is where you do it differently to get that seamless look on the granny square. So we will chain 1, turn our work, and we will slip stitch to this very corner, and chain 2. This chain 2 will count as the first double crochet, so we need to work 1 double crochet into that corner. And now we're working along the side of the square, so we need to put 1 double crochet in each of the stitches. Okay, and a corner, so we will need 2 double crochet, chain 2, and 2 more double crochet into that same corner. Okay, we're back along working on the side again. So we'll need 1 double crochet in each of the stitches. And a corner, so we'll need 2 double crochet, chain 2, and 2 more double crochet in that same corner. Okay, and we're working along the side again. So 1 double crochet in each of the stitches. Okay, and corner again, so 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 more double crochet in that same corner, and back along the side we'll put 1 double crochet in each of the stitches. And don't forget to put 1 double crochet where the chain 2 from the previous round. Okay, and working at the corner, notice we already have 2 double crochet in that corner. We'll just need to put 2 more double crochet and a chain 2 to complete this corner. And chain 2 and slip stitch to the second chain. 1 and 2 is right here, so slip stitch in there, and that completes round 2. And now you're ready to begin round 3. So we will chain 1, turn the work, and we will slip stitch to this corner space and chain 2, and this is how you begin every round. So you don't have to worry about what you did the previous round. It starts the same. So we'll 1 double crochet into that corner, okay, so we'll work on the side. So we'll put 1 double crochet in each of the stitches along the side, now we're at the corner. We will work 2 double crochet, chain 2, and 2 more double crochet in that same corner. Okay, and we just put 1 double crochet in each of the stitches along the side. And working the corner, so we will need 2 double crochet, chain 2, and 2 more double crochet in that same space. And back along the side, 1 double crochet in each of the stitches. Working on our next corner. Chain 2. Okay, and 2 double crochet in that same space. Okay, now back along the side, work 1 double crochet in each of the stitches. Okay, we have one more stitch here we need to work, where we chain 2 at the beginning of the previous round. So we will work 1 double crochet in there as well. And now we're on our last corner, and on this corner we've already have 2 double crochet. So we'll need to put the 2 double crochet and the chain 2 to complete this corner. And we will slip stitch to the chain 2 at the beginning of the round. So go under the 2 loops and slip stitch. Okay, and is how you and that is how you close each round. I'm gonna go ahead and start round 4 with you guys. So to start round 4, chain 1, turn our work, and in that corner space we will slip stitch, and we will chain 2, and in that same corner space we will put 1 double crochet, and we will work 1 double crochet in each of the stitches. So I'm going to go ahead and work round 4 off camera, and I will meet you back to close round 4. Just remember, we put 1 double crochet in each of the stitches along the side, and when you get to the corner you will need to put 2 double crochet, chain 2, and then 2 more double crochet. Then that will take you back along the side. So go ahead and work your round 4, and I will meet you back to close round 4. Okay, I am back, and I've worked my round 4. By putting 1 double crochet in each of the stitches along the side, and to work the corner I did 2 double crochet, chain 2, and 2 double crochet for each of the corner. And now I'm on my very last corner here. Noticed I still missing a double crochet on top of that chain 2 from the previous round, so I'll need to put 1 double crochet in there. Oops. There we go. And now I can complete that corner. So I need 2 double crochet, chain 2, and we slip stitch to the chain 2 we made at the beginning of the round, so which is right here. If you want to continue on, you will insert your hook under the 2 loops, okay, and you slip stitch. Oops. All right, then you slip stitch and chain 1, turn the work, and that will slip stitch in that same corner, and then you chain 2, and that's how you begin every round. Then you'll just do a 1 double crochet in that same corner, and then you double crochet along the side. But I want to close my round 4 off, so I'm gonna pull the stitches up so I can see. So I did my chain 2 up here, and now I'm ready to cut and close on round 4. So I'm gonna cut my yarn and pull that tail up, grab a darning needle, and we will just do a invisible join. And to close round 4, we will go under the first real double crochet we made under the 2 loops, and we will make an invisible join. There we go. And we'll just weave this rest of the tail to the back. And notice I'm not pulling that too tight, because if I pull it too tight, I will make a knot there, and I don't want to do that. So I'm just going to weave this back and forth to the back. Alright, and I'm ready to cut. And we'll also weave the tail end. And that is how I made this seamless solid granny square. Both sides has beautiful finished, so it's reversible. If you like this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed already, I do crochet tutorials every week, and don't forget to hit that bell notification so you won't miss any of my future videos. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time.